Hello my dear friends, today I have come with the lab video of the data engineering with Python, the lab video 04. In this video we will perform the exercise reading the data from the CSV file and perform the aggregation operation and business summary data preparation with the Python coding. Because in the data engineering life, the aggregation operations are very much important. So you will learn today from this video. So stay tuned and check this video.
Today we will focus on the lab 4 of the data engineering series. This is the lab 4 folder and we are already sitting in the lab 4. And today we will do the exercise. We are performing the data aggregation and business summary, which is the many core concept of the data engineering. This is our input file customer.csv, where 3 columns, customer ID, name and city, and there 7 records are exist. And we will performing the data aggregation using Python code on that particular customer.csv file and print the records in the terminal and also save the aggregated summary report into the output folder as a output file. So let's start our exercise today. We are using the pipeline_test.py Python file. We are starting as import pandas as pd, next print lab 04 data aggregation and business summary. Yes, next step 1, it is loading data. We are using data frame object df is equal to pd dot read csv bracket open close within double quotation. We are giving the path of our input folder customer.csv. So input slash customers.csv. Yes. Next we print \n original data. Next we print the data frame object df. Next step 2, check total number of customers. We are using total underscore customers is equal to df. Here we put the customer ID dot count bracket open close. Yes. Next print \n total customers colon bracket end. Next print this total customers value. Yes. Next step 3, count customers by city. We are doing city underscore summary is equal to df dot group by within bracket we are giving city we are taking from here, the same spelling should be city, then dot size bracket open close dot reset index bracket open close within reset index name is equal to customer underscore count. Yes. Next, print backslash n customer count by city. Next, print the city summary here. Yes. Next, step 4, short city based on customer count. We are doing city underscore summary is equal to city underscore summary dot short values bracket open close within this by is equal to customer underscore count double quotation end comma ascending is equal to false. Yes. Next, we print backslash n shorted city summary data. Yes. Next, print this city summary. Next, step 5, find maximum customers city. Top underscore city is equal to city underscore summary dot iloc first index 0. Yes. Next, print backslash n city having maximum customers. Yes. Next, print within double quotation city colon comma top underscore city within angle third bracket city comma customer. There is putting one space here so that the value will be easily readable. Yes, customers comma top underscore city within third bracket we are giving customer underscore count. Yes, save till this. Yes, we are just finding the maximum customer exist in the city. City top city customer count. This is done. Next step 6. Save the summary data to output CSV file. City underscore summary dot to CSV bracket open close first bracket. Our saving path is output folder and there the file name we should put. So we are putting output slash, we are putting file name city summary data dot CSV double quotation end comma index false. False. Yes. Next we are doing print \n aggregated data saved successfully. Yes. Yeah. Next print double quotation \n lab 04 completed successfully. Yes. Saving file. Now you will try to run the file. We are already sitting into the lab4 folder because into the path represent that. Now just we run the file python space, the file name is pipeline underscore test dot py. Yes, the output is come. Here first print we doing lab 04 data aggregation and business summary. First coming lab 4 data aggregation and business summary. Next we are just taking the input file from the input folder customer.csv and print the original data. That original data has been printed here. The customer ID, name, city, that full 7 rows have been printed. Next we have been print here. Check the total number of customers. So we are printing here total customers. That is giving total customer and our total customer name number is 7. Next we are doing customer count by city. We are printing customer count by city. Here we are printing the city summary, the variable object. So here the output is coming city and customer count. London city has 2 customer, New York 2, Sydney 2 and Tokyo 1. Next we are printing the sorted city summary data. This is coming sorted city summary data. City London, customer count 2, New York 2, Sydney 2, Tokyo 1. Next we have print city having the maximum customers. So we are printing here the city having maximum customers, this print, and then we putting city, this city come, and then we are putting the city name come London, then we are putting text as customers, customer text is coming. Next the customer count is coming 2. So this city is this city text, this portion top city is the city name coming here, this customers is the customer this text, and top city customer count is this count is coming here. Next we print this file save into the output CSV file, and also we are printing the aggregated data save successfully this, and then we print lab 04 completed successfully, that are printed. We are just going to the output folder because we are giving the output folder path, and the file name is city summary data.csv. This name file is automatically created in the output folder. Just open the file and we are getting the output, the business summary report. You can do such type of several use case related business summary reports by using the Python coding with data engineering. Okay, my dear friends, that's all for the lab 4 today. Thank you.